Hey y'all, we are coming to you from Man, West Virginia. Yes, Man, MAN, down in Logan County. And we just had like the best meal. So we wanted to come on and tell you about it. I know it's not history, but
Yeah, if you are ever in this part of Logan County, you have got to check out the Hillbilly Firepit here
in
on
Man.
Market Street in Man. We are right across the street from the town fire department, and the pizza is some of the best you will find in West Virginia. It not only is it's outstanding taste wise, reasonably priced as well. I don't think we could have found, honey, better food
I'm
at
showing
this
them
great a
the receipt.
price.
No, I'm showing the receipt. We got a gigantic pizza, half chicken bacon ranch, half buffalo chicken. I mean, this thing was huge. I had to tap out 2 pieces in. Um, and we had pulled pork, loaded fries, holy
Oh,
crap, and drinks. And with tax, it came out to $27. Like, that's the price of like one pizza at Pies and Pints. Oh my gosh, y'all, you need to come down here. I mean, I cannot stress it enough.
yeah,
Like, this is one of the
seriously.
best places I've ever eaten in West Virginia. Like, not just southern West Virginia, West Virginia. This is like some of the best pizza I've ever eaten anywhere.
Agreed. And like I said, they've got the round, which we had, and then they have a pan that the waitress said,
To
if you're
do
getting just like a regular pizza, go for that. But she said with the specialties, go with the round, and that's what we did. And it was spectacular.
You need to come here and eat. I cannot stress it enough. So this is in Man. It's right off Buffalo Creek Road. You will not regret it.